Today we're going to be looking at the digital note-taking tool Evernote. As part of the pilot group, you'll be using Evernote over the next few months. Evernote has some great key features. You can access it on multiple devices, store and organize your notes for multiple classes or extracurriculars through the Notebooks feature, create checklists, reminders, clip articles or web pages and store them in Evernote, and even handwrite notes on certain devices. There's so much to do. Let's dig in. First, let's look at how Evernote is organized. When you log in, you can see a list of all your notes. There's icons along the left panel. Clicking on the notebook icon will show you all your notebooks, or categories, which is one way to organize your notes. You could make notebooks for classes, organizations you're involved in, or anything you want. This feature will help you find your notes more quickly. But for notebooks to be valuable, we need to make some notes. Let's add a new note by clicking on the plus icon. You can add a title and begin typing your note below. The toolbar at the top gives options for fonts and styling. You can even add checkboxes to your note. Click on the notebook icon to assign a notebook. Let's put this one in general. The share button gives options for sharing your note, email, social media, and more. You can give others permission to edit the note too, which is great for group projects. Let's remember this note for later. Click on the alarm clock icon to set a reminder. Great, we've created a new note and a reminder to follow up. But what happens when you need your note but are away from your computer? Good news, all notes will sync across all devices. Let's look at Evernote on an iPad. And the note is there. You can look at all your notes, notebooks, and add more. Anything you add or change is linked to the account and will be updated as long as you're connected to the internet. You can access Evernote through an application on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Even if you forget your device or need your notes quick, you can use the web version of Evernote on a university computer to access your notes at any time. Evernote isn't just for text notes. You can clip or save web pages into your notes. First, download the Evernote extension for your browser. Click on the elephant icon while on the page you want to clip into a note. You can clip the whole page, just the text in a simplified version, take a screenshot, and more. Choose what notebook you want to save the clipped web page in, and hit save. Now let's go back to Evernote. The article is there with a link back to its source. Use this feature for research or to collect web-based readings assigned by your professor in one location. Lastly, let's look at the handwriting feature. You can write your notes with a stylus or pencil, or you can even use your finger. Different tools for writing are at the top. Use a pen to write, a highlighter, an eraser, and move your content around. When you hit done at the top left, all your handwriting will be available in the note and accessible anywhere that you use Evernote. There's an overview of Evernote. As members of the pilot, please reach out with any questions and let us know what you think about the tool. We've covered some basic features of the tool, but there's so much more that Evernote can do. We hope you enjoy using Evernote over the next few months.